Hello guys, hope you are doing well. In this session today we are going to do unboxing of Moto G60 and we'll see what is the feature and cost. So just I received by Flipkart and we will open it and we'll see. Okay guys, this is a phone and inside the box uh, invoice is there. Okay, so not required for that. So you can see here Moto G60 ultra high resolution 108 megapixel camera system, powerful 6000 mAh battery and 17.2 cm FHD max vision, a screen with 120 hertz. Okay, so let's open it. This phone is a very slim, as you can see here. This mobile came with cover, just I removed it. Okay, so there is a 3 camera in back sides, flashlight. Camera feature is 108 megapixels plus 8 megapixel and 2 megapixel. So 108 is our ultra high resolution and 8 megapixel is a rear camera and 2 megapixel is a depth camera with flashing light. Okay, this is a fingerprint. Apart from that, here is a front camera having the 32 megapixels. C-type charger, a speaker. Inside, we can see power button and volume up and down button. And here is a SIM toolkit. And upward side, we can see the headphone jack. Okay, we'll discuss little bit about the features. Moto G60 having 6 GB RAM, 128 GB ROM, and it having the processor Snapdragon 732G. As we discussed, back camera 108 plus 8 megapixel and plus 2 megapixel. Front camera is 32. Display, display is 6.8 inch with having a 10x zoom. So we can say this is a extra feature and extra quality of Moto G60 having the 10x zoom. And after that, the display having the Gorilla Glass. Battery we can say as we saw 6000 mAh battery. Okay, so there is a no removable battery. This is a fixed battery, so we can't remove it. Okay, so let's see about the other things. What is inside the box? There is some document. Okay, so here is a SIM toolkit ejector. There are some features and some information has given in documents. You can go through it. Type of feature is there. As we discussed, like camera, flashlight, head jack. Only these things is given, and how to remove the SIM toolkit, and how to operate the mobile. So procedure, and you can say it's a user manual. Okay, apart from that, adapter with C-type cable, having the C-type cable, and okay, so 5 volt 2 ampere with 20 watt. So you can say it's a turbocharger. Okay, so apart from that, I want to say the mobile having the another capabilities like HDR video, we have to upgrade. Okay, now let's open the phone. Very slim and weightless, so it will take some time. Android version is 11.
Hello, Moto.
Okay guys, so now I have to do the sign in. Okay guys, so after the sign in, just I opened it and we'll see the camera. Okay, have to give the access. Not now. Okay guys, so we can try here. Okay, so one thing as I told you, 10x zoom, but reality it's not happening. It's going only till 8x. So you can see here, it's only happening at x. Okay, so there is no any button in bottom. This is the things you can say. Only one drawback I found, like fingerprint is a back side, so nowadays it's coming on the top of display or in sides. Moto G60 having the backside fingerprint. Rest of the features is still very good, and it's cost approximately 18,000 rupees. So in 18,000 I can say I got a very good product. Camera and other parameters are very good, like RAM and storage. Even the resolution is more better as compared to other camera. If you're going to buy, I think this information is useful for you guys. Thank you so much. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.